Okay, welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. Here's how you find your radio ID. So you want to get it to the XM radio. You press that button, and then you up here to your tune file knob, go to 0, and once you go to 0, it'll say radio ID. Find your radio ID on your Toyota RAV4, and I mean, if you have trouble, just find your manual. If you have one, go back here to the R's and 240, page 240. I get sometimes people complain. People like to complain. I don't know if they're just guys that suck at life. I don't know, but anyway, so 240. So you find page 240, and I mean, they complain, oh, why are you showing the car? Well, I'm showing you what kind of car it is because I can. So 240, we're going here, and then let's see. All right, here we go. Radio ID. You will need the radio ID when activating XM service or reporting a problem. Select CHOOO using tune file, and the receiver's 8-character ID number will appear. See? That's all you gotta do. So that's how you find your radio ID on your Toyota RAV4. And I'm going to actually write that number down. I'm going to write it down in my booklet here somewhere. So radio ID, and then I'm gonna write it. I got a bunch of stuff written here, but so I'm writing it down. I don't want you guys to see what it is. I don't want you guys to activate crap on my vehicle, but that's my radio ID. And yeah, so got my iced coffee caramel and my biscuits and gravy. Good old biscuits and gravy. It's the best. It's not even on your menu. It's like it's on the secret menu. It's on the secret menu. You just order it and you get it. This is the RAV4. I'm gonna turn right now. I have. Oh, didn't want that. I didn't want to do that. 106,874 miles. Oh no. And then 47 degrees outside Fahrenheit. That's what we do in the U.S. Odometer. It's in park. 0 miles per hour. I don't know, 0.7 RPMs, 7 RPMs, and then cold and hot. Oil temperature is good, right in the middle. I got a full tank of gas. I don't have my seatbelt on because I'm in park. I'm getting ready to turn the car off. It's in full tank of gas, which is how you gotta. That's just how you gotta roll. You always gotta roll with a full tank of gas. It's just what you do. And look, here in the U.S. we do miles per hour. We don't do kilometers per hour, which is probably a better metric, but it's more logical. But whatever. We like to do things different here. But I'm gonna go inside. I don't work today. I mean, I took my kids to school. I got to pick them up later. But I'm since they're out of soccer now, and I've been working a whole bunch now. I'm gonna be working all the time, making all kinds of money. As a nurse, I'm a nurse, taking care of people. I'm gonna turn this car off. I'm gonna grab my food and drink. I'm gonna show you that this is, in fact, Toyota RAV4. And I'm gonna get my wallet. My keys, my phone, and there's my N95 mask right there. Hold on, right there. I don't care what people think about me. You get Toyota RAV4 right at the bottom. I do it like this so I don't show the license plate. I don't need to lock the car. Toyota RAV4. Good car, good tires, newer tires. Lights are good, everything's good. Got some pumpkins here. Got some geese up there. If all else fails, make a YouTube video. So here we are in our Toyota RAV4, and we're getting ready to make a video. A good video. It's going to be a video that I hope you enjoy. So here it goes.